엑소 medley 어떠셨어요?
Guys, how was the EXO medley?
저도 의미 있는 첫 솔로 콘서트에서 이렇게 보여드릴 수 있어서 정말 꼭
Wala tayo sa water bomb! Ba't basang-basa kami?
My very first solo concert.
31 na siya, no? Parang hindi. Parang hindi 31.
베이비 돈 크라이랑 엔젤 이렇게 부탁했는데 열심히 불러줘서 정말 감사드립니다.
You know, I actually requested for the Baby Don't Cry and Angel that you guys practice. And thank you so much for singing along with me.
여러분들의
May lyrics. Wala nga lyrics.
노래
Eh, yung lyrics nila Korean din. Ang bakit pala
떼창을
Kaya mo yan, be. Oh, shut up.
함성 소리까지 포함해서 100점.
You know, you guys, your singing skills, actually singing along with me. Out of 100, I'll give 100.
Wow!
진짜 그만큼 여러분의 함성 소리가 저를 지금 진짜 매우 뜨겁고 핫하게 만들고 있어요.
You know, actually, it includes your cheers and your screams. And it's really making me a lot very energetic and hot in here.
땀나는 거 보이시죠, 여러분?
Have you guys seen how much sweat I'm pouring out on this right now?
와, 땀이 들어. 아, 그리고 이 공연장에 2017년에 엑소플래닛 엑소디움 기억하시는 분 계세요?
And actually, I'm sweating a lot. And I don't know if you guys remember, but like in this right venue that where we are, in 2017.
Yes!
You guys
Yes! Yes!
오늘 우리 팬들 들어오는 길에 저희 그때 사진이 걸려있더라고요. 너무 반가웠어요. 진짜.
You know, I was very happy because like backstage, from my dressing room, coming up the stage, I saw our picture back then. I was
그때 사진을 보는데 정말
you know, I saw our photos hanging up and I was really like a baby.
Baby Kai!
지금은 이제 뱀이 아니에요.
Not a baby anymore,
Oh,
right?
pangalante!
여러분들도 저는 베이비.
You guys are my babies.
Ang dami naman namin!
아 그리고 여러분들 제가 처음에 딱 마이레이드 하러 들어오는데 빛이 나는 거예요.
And guys, like when I was coming in, like first stage, I actually saw like lights.
Yes! A fairy light!
장미꽃 모형으로 된 라이트.
Is it like a light that's on like a rose?
누가 준비했어요?
So go prepared. Do that kind of
Sarap?
All of you?
Yes! Oh my God! Ay, bakit ka tayo ulit
우리 베이비들
Concert, and this is my babies. And you guys give me roses. It's more than 100, diba? Are you guys like proposing to me?
뭐야? 가봐야 될 것 같아요.
Guys, so we really just have to keep going, right?
Yeah.
But
여러분들 더우신가요?
are you guys really hot?
Oh my God! Take it off! Take it off! Take it off! Take it off! Take it off!
So, hindi ko masyado mainit. di ba?
Ay!
Well, hindi ko masyado. I'll keep giving you hotter.
Take it off!
You like it?
잘 안 들리거든요.
Hindi kita marinig.
잠깐만 여러분들 떼창을 저는 전달이 안 되는데 대충 제가 뉘앙스로 맞춰볼까요?
Well, I can't really hear kasi sabay-sabay kayo nagsisigaw, but I'll try to guess.
버스라는 거 아니야?
Do you need to pick up?
Bakit bawal? Off! Take it off! Take it off! Take it.
I'll even put this down to cover up myself.
아무튼 여러분들 제가 더 뜨겁게 해줄 테니까요.
Well, guys, I'll keep making you hotter. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
다음으로 가봅시다.
Let's go to our next song.